Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to step number 6 in how to create a Wix website. Now in the previous video guys, we learned how we can customize our different strips and sections in our template. And in this video guys, we're going to go ahead and take a look at how we can customize our header and our footer sections. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Let's go back to our Wix account. So once we're on our Wix account guys, on the front and center over here, we have our header section available to us. And on the bottom, we have our footer section right here available to us. So once we have that established guys, the first thing that I want to show you how to do is how we can resize our header. So to resize our header guys, we can just simply go ahead and click it. And then over here where we have the stretch button in the center, we can simply go ahead and drag and drop to whatever size we want. Okay, it's pretty straightforward stuff. So once you're happy with your size guys, you can go ahead and leave it at that. And the next thing that I want to show you is how we can go ahead and change our header section's design. So to change our header section's design guys, we can simply once again go ahead and click our header section. And then over here where it says change header design, we can go ahead and click that button right there. And then we can see this pop-up appear which says header design. And over here guys, we have the different header designs available to us. So we can see over here guys, we can go ahead and select the different designs right here. So that's pretty cool. And if I scroll down, we have a little bit more fancier designs like different color designs, so on and so forth. Okay, so for this example guys, I'm going to go ahead and select this design right here. Okay, so once we have a design selected, we can go ahead and press this X button right here. And there we go. We can see that the change has been applied. Now once we have that done guys, the next thing that I want to show you is how we can go ahead and freeze our header. Now when I refer to freezing a header, what it essentially means is that when you scroll down through your page, your header is remained visible at all times. So that's a pretty neat thing to have. So over here guys, if you go ahead and press this settings button right here, we can see that right now we have our freeze header setting available. Now what this means guys, if we go ahead and preview our template really quickly, we can see that when I scroll down over here, we constantly have sight of our header. So that's pretty cool. And that's referred to freezing your header, okay? Now, if you want to go ahead and disable this, you can simply go back over here and go ahead and click your header section. And then you can go ahead and simply deselect this to disable it. I'm going to go ahead and keep this checked for now. So once we have that done, guys, the next thing that I want to show you is how we can remove our header and footer section from a specific page. So to do that, guys, we can simply go ahead and click our header and footer section once again. And then over here, guys, on our top left where it says Pages Home, we can go ahead and select that. And then over here guys, for the particular page that we want, so in my case for the home page, we can go ahead and select the circle option right here. And then once we do that guys, where it says layouts, we can go ahead and select that. And then over here we can select the second option which removes our header and our footer section. So once we do that guys, you can go ahead and press the done button right here. And now we can see that our header section is completely removed from our home page. Now keep in mind guys that once you remove your header section, your navigation menu gets removed too. So it won't be very simple for customers to go through your website. So as a rule of thumb guys, I highly recommend that you keep your header section at least for your home page. Alright. So to bring it back, once again you press this button right here. You choose the desired page that you want it to display on. So you click this, press the layout option and press standard. Okay. And then once you're done, go ahead and press the done button right here. And we can see guys, our header section is back. So with that said guys, that's pretty much it for how we can customize our header and footer section. In the next video, we're going to go ahead and take a look at how we can create the different pages in our Wix website. So I will see you in the next video.